Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be basically talking about some of my very affordable skincare products that I have loved and used. Now there is a reason why I never film a skincare video, because I don't think my skin has been doing good in such a long time. But there are products that help me control my acne that are on my skin. So I'm going to talk about them in today's video. So let's go. The very first product is right here. This is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. I love this face wash. I've been using this face wash for around like two and a half months, and I think this is a very nice and very underrated face wash in the market. I mean, there are face washes that I used to love in the past, like the Bioderma one, but I think this is cheaper and actually better. When I wash my face with this, I don't see the redness on my face, which I would get otherwise from any kind of face wash that I would use. Second thing is that this has absolutely no fragrance. This is so gentle on the skin, makes my skin clear and cleaner after every wash. This is the only serum that I stuck to in the entire 2024, especially in the second half, because my skin was burning, it was red, it was sensitive, it was breaking out, everything was all over the place, and this serum was the only serum that helped me to actually make my skin better. So this was priced at rupees 1100, but I kid you not, I have been using this for 7 to 8 months. It's totally worth investing in because the results that you get from this serum is unbeatable. Next up is the moisturizer from Bioderma. This is also the moisturizer that I use almost every single day. The most hydrating, gentle, calming, nourishing moisturizer. When it comes to moisturizers, I have always struggled with them because I think moisturizers either make my skin too oily or they just don't work for me and they make my skin like even worse, like they just give me acne flare-ups. But this is very different from all the moisturizer that you've ever used. You just need very less amount of this moisturizer for your entire face and you're good to go. Sometimes I also like to use it on my legs and on my hands because this is so natural. This has no fragrance. This actually helps in soothing the bumpiness and the texture that is present on my legs and on my hands. So this is definitely like a 2-in-1 product for me. This acts as a body lotion and as a moisturizer for my face at the same time. This is the huge bottle, but you can actually get it for like 600 rupees, the smaller tube one, which I used to use and I finished completely. I am now on to this, and you can see I'm already like this. I finished this much in like the span of 2 months. Because I simply love this product and I just know that this is going to be my favorite product in the year 2025 as well. Okay, when it comes to moisturizers, I don't just stick to one but two. So this is another lightweight moisturizer from Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel. I got this one from Beauty Barn. It's an amazing website for all the Korean products that we're looking for, and the prices are also very affordable. So this is very lightweight in texture. This is very gel-like. It is hydrating, but it's not too hydrating. Today also I'm wearing it underneath my skin tint, and this one actually helps to, you know, really calm and nourish my skin. Unlike, I mean, like all the products do that for me. That's something I look forward to, but this one in particular is so lightweight, doesn't make my skin oily. Till now it hasn't broken me out. It works great for my skin, for my oily, acne prone, comedogenic skin. It really works out. So I think I would give this a 10 on 10. And this also is priced at rupees like 1000 something or 999 something. You can easily get it on sale. I know some products सस्ते मिलते ही सेल के बाद हैं, but that's the whole point, right? If you want to use and invest in good skincare, invest at the time of the sale. बहुत cheap products भी नहीं लो, but ऐसे products तो लो ही लो which you know are going to help you in the longer run. Here is one of the best cleansing oil that I've used, and I'm planning to get a bigger one. So this is the DHC facial cleanser. It's actually a deep cleansing oil of DHC, which is a Japanese brand. मैंने सोचा मैं पहले छोटा वाला लेके देखती हूँ and then I'll invest in a bigger one. I'm definitely going to invest in a bigger one because simply how good it is. It suits me perfectly, doesn't make my skin red, emulsifies beautifully, has no fragrance, and simply works for my skin. So मुझे cleansing oil generally भी यूज करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because they help me to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads at the same time. Unlike most of the facial cleansers, they don't work on your blackheads and whiteheads, but these kind of cleansing oils actually work very well. This is for like 999 or 700 something on the sale. I've been using it for 2.5 months and still I have so much left for this month. So definitely this is a great buy. Please investing in such good cleansing oil oils. I mean, cleansing oils is one thing where I really want to go all over the board and spend some extra money, because they will give me results in a longer term. And once I start off with this and then I go in with this face wash, so this way I double cleanse my face. I love double cleansing. I've been double cleansing for the entire 2024 and it has given me results, to be honest. So I'm satisfied. If your moisturizer and SPF are too heavy for you at sometimes, Episoft is the key. This is a very lightweight moisturizer which is SPF based. Very unique formula. I love the formulation. It's so lightweight, but at the same time it's hydrating. It keeps my skin protected from the sun. So this is a very simple, very like on those days when you don't want to put on sunscreen, when you don't want to put on anything, you can totally put this on, because this will give you 2-in-1 protection to your facial skin. And it's also very lightweight in its texture. I don't think it's heavy at all. Feels like gel almost. So this is a great buy for your lazy days, and if you are a lazy girl, you will need this, because this is going to save a lot of your time. And also this is affordable. This is for like 400 rupees. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the sunscreen that I wear and I've started to really incorporate. And this is the Bioderma sunscreen. I have been using this sunscreen I think for a month now, and it's already flattened from here because I have been really liking it. It's a very unique formula again. So this is the Bioderma Photoderm Creme Sunscreen in the SPF 50 plus. So the good thing about this sunscreen is that this does not break me out, like never. I know this can be a little bit greasy, but it doesn't break. Underneath this sunscreen, I like to put on this moisturizer for that extra coverage. Overall, it's a great sunscreen, available at a very good price of 900 rupees. I'm really sorry about the background noise. There's some construction going on, but we can skip this because we are almost at the end of the video. So hear me out. Okay, now coming to some exfoliations. One is the body exfoliator and the other one is the facial exfoliator. So let me go first in with the facial exfoliator. So this right here has been the cure to so many issues, like the major breakouts that I would get. This right here has saved me such a good time. I mean, I don't have the time to constantly apply the AHA BHA solution, the red colored one, on my face, but this one, if you're a lazy girl, will help you so much, because this is just like a toner. आप मुंह धो के आओ, सीधे इसको लगा लो and then go in with your rest of the skincare, and it works because ये इतना lightweight है. This is like a water, but it helps to really soothe, calm down the acne, especially if you have comedones on your face, which I have. So मुझे ना वो बहुत छोटे-छोटे bumps हो जाते हैं जो ऐसे दिखते नहीं है, but when I touch it, I can feel the texture. And उसपे I like to use this first after the face wash, not every single day, once in 2 days or once in 3 days depending. And then I like to go in with my moisturizer or serum, whatever, and this next day helps to really calm my skin. I have seen overnight changes with this product. This is again available at 900 to 800 rupees. I got it from Nykaa sale 2 months back. Have been using it consistently, and this is how much have I used. I know I will use this in entire 2025 because of its great formulation. It is from Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. You can totally invest in it if you have comedones, if you have whiteheads. If you have whiteheads that turn into acne or like huge pimples, then it is going to be a savior for you. And this has salicylic acid, so just keep in mind that you are not allergic to salicylic acid, otherwise it's good for you. Okay, next up is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7%. This is the newly I've purchased. I love the minimalist one as well, but this time I went ahead and bought this. I'm really disappointed by the size of it. It is so small. I expected it to be a little bit better, but okay. Talking about the product, it's an amazing product for ingrowns, for bumps. I've talked about this so much on my channel, and I will keep talking about it because this I use every single day on my body, and it has helped again to reduce the ingrowns, the bumpiness, the texture on my hands, which I have around my elbow. And this actually, because I'm very insecure about the bumps on my body, I think they insecure me a lot. They don't allow me to wear a lot of cut sleeves, but this has been helping me a lot in that case. So I now don't feel that awkwardness or shyness when I wear cut sleeves, because this really works, but it takes a lot of time. So you have to use it every single day, no matter what, for months, and after months you will see the result. Please use it consistently if you have bought it or if you are using it, because it's going to give you the results of your dreams if you start using it correctly. And I think we are done with this video. I hope you guys liked watching the video, because I simply loved filming this video. And मैंने काफ़ी सारे products के बारे में बात करी है, and it doesn't mean कि आपको सारे ही products ले लेने हैं जो भी मैंने अपने वीडियो में दिखाए हैं. It doesn't mean that at all. Please don't take it otherwise. But actually आपको खुद figure out करना पड़ेगा कि आपको ज़रूरत किन चीज़ों की और आपको लेना क्या है. So that way it becomes much more sensible of you to invest in any product, because I know most of the products are above 500, 600 and even 800. I agree, but I genuinely believe in quality products, and that's why I only wanted to bring this to the table. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also let me know what more do you want to watch, and that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.